Welcome to SigmawrAP, the future of innovation in high-performance machine wrap. Conventional shrink wraps are built from just 5 layers of polymer, meaning high usage volumes are needed to ensure adequate stability for your packed load. But SigmawrAP has been developed using cutting-edge extrusion technology, producing a film sheet built from a staggering 55 layers of polymer. The result is a high-performance, eco-friendly film wrap that offers improved stability and unparalleled performance with a stretch capacity of up to 400%. With SigmawrAP, cost savings and efficiency are optimized, as your usage volumes can be cut by up to 50%. Plus, it's built from 30% recycled material, helping you to reduce your carbon footprint. So, increase your efficiency, reduce waste and save money. Use SigmawrAP.